Thank you, Chief Cadet Captain and Chairman Honor Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to call Cadet Arsalan Shah Shirani of Ayub House to share his feelings on this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, Cadet Arsalan Shah Shirani.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is a piece of advice to my juniors, especially first year class. You all must be thinking that I am Arsalan, but you all are unknowingly mistaken. Except me, I know who am I. I am the wittiest and the wisest man of the world, without any guarantee. With full right of doubt, let me proclaim that I am the disliked teacher of Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, misguided guide of Pythagoras, untrained trainer of Jabir bin Hayyan, shallow fellow of Newton, and the most unwanted consultant of all sages of ages have come to let you all know that the scholars of the graveyard could not. That no study, no tension, more study, more tension. One day, because of the motto, no study, no tension, I would be globally recognized and even accredited. That even the unborn school winning boy would come and salute me. For that I have proved that study is directly proportional to tension and inversely proportional to relaxation and enjoyment. Can anywhere in the world one can prove this equation? Where? Where? Nowhere except Pakistan. Am I wrong? Your wish is my pleasure. I am cherished champion of shikars and idol of idol. My new theory offers a special package that if you follow it, it will take you to the graveyard, free of cost. It will drive your mind out of the prison of your body without any surgical operation. It is antibiotic and antidote to tension. It relieves you not only from study tension, but also purifies all the impurities in your body. If you want to save your mind and wish to keep it always brand new, then don't study. Don't spoil your innocent mind. Bacha! Let us follow my motto. No study, no tension. More study, more tension. No study, no tension is a lifetime free membership of mental hospital and a lifetime free membership of wisest, foolish and irresponsible fools association. It is lifetime burden and havoc on kitchen and pocket and a lifetime successful failure. What else you need? What else you want? Study means modern headache and insomnia, which becomes a great hindrance against our enjoyment. Study is a half-necked ghost. It is like a Herculean muscle wife, which causes everything run off your body and make you sleep with open eyes, like an owl in the drawing room. Do you know, one who talks in owl sleep is called somnoloquist, but one who talks in student sleep is called teacher. A generous teacher is a wholesale supplier of tension to the students who have to bite by any means. Physics teacher says, very, very important question. When I was in first year in Ahmedabad, same question came in my paper. Chemistry teacher says, again late, you're habitual of this. You don't deserve respect. You better pull up your socks. Otherwise, I'll kick you out of the college. English teacher says, perhaps. I'm the principal of Iqbal House. If you are made, I'm devil made. Sindhi teacher says, Shah Latif Chayota, Ishq kayo, ma ishq ya, pocha kaya. Urdu teacher says, again fail in Urdu. Sharam nahi aati, sharam nahi aati, shame on you. Mathematics teacher says, मैं कह रहा हूं ना, आप बाहर जाएं, मैं कह रहा हूं ना. And one special one, Islamic teacher. Islamic teacher says, जिस्कानी साहब, ये देख रहे हैं बच्चा, इसके दिमाग में खन्नास भरा हुआ है। ये कासिम हाउस आया था बच्चों पर पानी फेंकने। ये देखें, मैंने शापर के साथ पकड़ा इसको। ये देखें, वमा अलैना इल्लल बलागुल मुबीन। एंड स्पेशली द पब्लिक डिमांड, कैडेट्स दफा हो जाओ, क्लास में जाओ। And that is enough. And any other teacher, when a molecule combines with another molecules, it combines carbohydrates. Once a statistician man went to the market. Coincidentally, his wife was shopping there. While looking at his wife, the man said, "My sister, I have seen you somewhere." Then the man has to suffer from lythropy. Once my study-beaten friend father asked me that, "Beta, what has happened to my son?" That whenever I ask him that, I am your father, he says, "Why? When? Where? Whom?" I asked him, "Uncle, don't worry, your son is a bookworm, and his English teacher has taught me to clear your concept, you must apply WH questions. Because a good questioner is a good learner." My study-beaten friend Babar sits like a library statue in the examination hall, while I do one work sincerely and frequently moving to and fro. For him, it is his exam, and for me, it is my father's task. When the result is announced, he weeps, while I take the position, and I sing a cherished song. No study, no tension, more study, more tension. This was a kind of a joke. Please, as per your examinations are coming near, you should fully attention on your studies. Thank you.